Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Biologist. Today, we'll be talking about overweight issue and some proven ways to avoid it. According to the World Health Organization, obesity has nearly tripled worldwide since 1975, and overweight and obesity now affect more than 2 billion people globally. This is a serious health issue, and we need to address it. Body overweight is a condition where a person has an excess amount of body fat, and it can lead to various health problems, such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and some cancers. However, the impact of overweight is not limited to physical health issues alone. It can also cause social and emotional problems, which can affect the quality of life of overweight individuals.
Let's take a look at some of the issues that overweight individuals face in life. Discrimination. Overweight individuals may face discrimination and stigma from society, which can lead to social isolation, anxiety, and depression. This can affect their relationships, career opportunities, and overall quality of life. Low self-esteem. Overweight individuals may struggle with low self-esteem, negative body image, and lack of confidence. This can affect their mental health and well-being and lead to further health issues like anxiety and depression. Health problems. Overweight individuals are at a higher risk of developing various health problems, such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. These health problems can affect their quality of life and lead to further health complications. Difficulty in physical activities. Overweight individuals may find it difficult to perform physical activities due to their excess weight. This can lead to a sedentary lifestyle, which can further increase the risk of health problems and affect their overall well-being. To determine whether you are overweight or not, you can calculate your body mass index, BMI. BMI is a simple measure that uses your height and weight to determine whether you are underweight, healthy weight, overweight, or obese. Here's a table that categorizes individuals based on their BMI. BMI weight status below 18.5. Are underweight 18.5 to 24.9, a healthy weight 25.0 to 29.9, overweight 30.0, and above are obese.
Now, let's take a look at some proven ways to avoid overweight. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. A healthy diet should be rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are low in calories and high in nutrients, which can help you maintain a healthy weight. It's also essential to limit processed and high-calorie foods, such as sugary drinks, fast food, and snacks, as they can contribute to weight gain. Control portion sizes. Portion sizes have increased in recent years, which can lead to overeating and weight gain. It's essential to control portion sizes by using smaller plates, measuring portions, and avoiding second servings. Eating slowly and chewing your food properly can also help you feel full and prevent overeating. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. Regular exercise can burn calories, increase metabolism, and improve overall health. It's recommended to aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. You can choose any activity you enjoy, such as walking, running, swimming, cycling, or strength training. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Water can help you feel full, reduce hunger, and boost metabolism. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day and avoid sugary drinks and excessive alcohol consumption. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite, which can lead to overeating and weight gain. It's recommended to aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and establish a consistent sleep schedule. Manage stress. Stress can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. It's essential to manage stress through relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Regular exercise can also help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. So there you have it, the issues that overweight individuals face in life, and some proven ways to avoid it. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for a healthy and fulfilling life. By eating a balanced diet, controlling portion sizes, exercising regularly, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and managing stress, you can achieve a healthy weight and improve your overall well-being. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to Mr. Biologist for more such videos.